That's the first time I've ever led semi brains in another place.